Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna be showing you my natural makeup look that you can use it every day. So first I'm gonna be using my eyeliner. Okay. Okay. So I already put my eyeliner on. No, it's the eyelashes. And mascara. That's my natural lashes. Look at the difference though with this mascara. See? Look at that. It this mascara gives my my eyelashes a volume. A little bit. There you go. See that? After, before. Now the other side. Look at that. See the difference? With a mascara, no mascara. There you go. Next, it's my eyeliner, my lip liner. Yep. This is a lip liner, but I use this like I think it's a lipstick. There you go. There. Okay, it's very natural. And then the lip gloss is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. There you go. There, that's my natural makeup look without foundation or concealer, and no eyeshadow also. Well, very simple. You can use this every day. There. That's it. So hope you guys like it. And see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.